Want to update your WordPress footer with the right links and details? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website tips. To start, log into your WordPress account and head to your dashboard. On the right side, click on Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can make all design changes. Once inside, scroll down to the bottom of your page and find the footer section. Click on it and you'll see options to customize everything, from text and links to style and layout. Now edit what you need. Add your contact info, update privacy or policy links, or change the design to match your branding. Make sure everything is clear, accurate, and up to date. And that's it. Your WordPress footer is now customized to fit your website perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more easy WordPress tutorials.